Have you ever dreamed of opening your own coffee shop? Let's embark on a journey to understand the process step by step. First, start with market research. Identify your target market and the perfect location. High foot traffic areas with low rent are gold mines. Don't forget to peek into what your competitors are doing. This could help carve out your unique niche and pricing strategy. Next, lay down a solid foundation with a well-thought-out business plan. This should encompass your business concept, mission, and vision. Dive into the financial details with a budget, revenue projections, and a break-even analysis. And of course, don't overlook a marketing plan to reel in those customers. Then, tackle the legal requirements. Registration of your business, obtaining the necessary permits and licenses, and ensuring health and safety regulations are met are crucial steps. Location, location, location. Seek out affordable rental spaces in neighborhoods on the rise. Negotiating favorable lease terms could significantly cut down initial costs. Next, it's time to gear up. Consider buying used equipment to save costs. But don't skimp on the essentials like a quality coffee machine, grinder, and refrigerator. Now let's get creative with interior design. A minimalist, functional design with cost-effective materials and furniture can make a big difference. When it comes to suppliers, sourcing coffee beans directly from wholesalers could net better prices. Try to establish relationships with local suppliers for other necessities. As for the menu, simplicity is key. Reducing inventory and operational complexity can save time and money. Ensure you offer a mix of popular and profitable items. Staffing can be tricky. Starting with a small, skilled team can keep labor costs in check. Cross-training employees to handle multiple tasks is a smart move. In terms of marketing, social media can be a low-cost, high-impact tool. Collaboration with local businesses can boost visibility too. Don't forget about technology. Affordable point-of-sale systems and basic inventory management tools can minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Engage with the local community through events or partnerships. Word-of-mouth marketing can be incredibly powerful. Invest in energy-efficient appliances to lower utility costs. Simple practices like turning off equipment during slow periods can add up in the long run. In the beginning, a do-it-yourself approach can save costs. From marketing to social media, even decor and signage, there's a lot you can do yourself. Lastly, remember to remain flexible and adaptable. Customer feedback is invaluable, and adjusting your business model based on it can lead to success. Continuously monitor and adjust your strategies for cost-effectiveness. Remember, a cost-effective coffee shop doesn't mean compromising on quality or customer experience. Striking the right balance is crucial for a successful and sustainable business. So, dream big, plan well, and brew on.